Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is test statistics? A sample statistics which provides a basis for testing null hypothesis is known as test statistics. When we understand the test statistics, the very important thing is testing null hypothesis. Be kept in mind, testing null hypothesis. Now, it is important to remember that a test statistics does not prove the hypothesis to be correct, but it furnishes an evidence against the hypothesis. The sampling distribution of the most commonly used test statistics are normal, t, chi-square or f, etc. The test statistics. In the test statistics, null hypothesis comes and we can test null hypothesis. When we have a problem and we have required in a problem what is null hypothesis, and then we apply these tests, normal, t, chi-square or f, to check how this null hypothesis is near to our required result. Not to check that this null hypothesis are to be correct, but only check how this null hypothesis is very near to our actual results by using these tests. Inshallah, we will understand the normal t, chi-square or f distributions in upcoming lectures. Okay, Allah Hafiz.